industry where, like, if you actually aren't made for it, like, don't even fucking bother. Because you could really traumatize yourself, I think. And it sucks because it has been made so mainstream to do porn. Essentially, that's what it is. Like, so if you weren't thinking about, like, maybe doing this until, like, the pandemic hit and everyone was on OnlyFans, like, really, like, rethink it, because it's not a trend. It's like a huge psychological toll that I think some people don't even understand. And yeah, I think it can hurt people to do this if they're not made for it, or whatever that means.
You're right. Oh, absolutely. And just the work alone, like how much time do you spend not just fucking, showing your titties and taco, like promoting yourself and fucking doing social media and fucking, preparing shit, editing and all of that. Like it's a lot of time.
Yeah.